5 ways on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. You've come to the right place, and at the right time, since affiliate marketing is growing, with spend set to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, up from $6.8 billion this year. That's why we're providing top tips for how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Here's what you need to know. By launching affiliate marketing campaigns across high-quality blogs and publications, brands will be well positioned to drive traffic back to their e-commerce pages and engage niche communities of customers who are ready to discover new products. Use these strategies to optimize your campaigns and start making money with affiliate marketing. 1. Build high-quality creative with engaging ads at your fingertips. You'll be more likely to generate interest from affiliate publishing partners and, of course, drive results among your target audience. When building your affiliate promotions, consider which products can be most easily incorporated into affiliate blogs or articles. Whether you're creating display ads, banner ads, native ads, or affiliate links, it's important to choose visuals and copy that will hook new readers. BuzzFeed Reviews, for example, works with affiliate advertisers to create custom images for their ads, like this one on their article, "The Best Everyday Sneakers That Keep It Casual." 2. Dominate your niche. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't want to use a spray and pray approach. It's best to choose a specific niche and audience segment. This way, you know you're reaching customers with the most relevant content that meets their interests and needs. And you can partner with publishers who've built hyper-targeted and engaged communities. Common affiliate niches include real estate, finance, dating, fitness, and technology. PCPartPicker.com, for instance, provides guides and lists of computer parts specifically for people who want to build their own systems and find compatible components. 3. Set competitive payment rates. Decide how you'll pay your affiliate advertising partners based on the following options. Cost per click. Every time a reader clicks on your affiliate link or ad, the publisher receives a payment. Cost per lead. Every time a reader completes a desired action, such as signing up for a newsletter or starting a free trial, the publisher receives a payment. Cost per sale. Every time the publisher drives a consumer to your website, and that consumer makes a purchase, the publisher receives a commission. It's important to choose the payment rates that make most sense for your products, audience, and creative. If your ads are meant to simply drive awareness, for example, you might use a cost-per-click model instead of a cost-per-sale model. 4. Partner with top publishers. Research publishers, influencers, and blog owners in your niche to find the most relevant and brand-safe affiliate partners. You can do this with a simple Google search or by finding top-ranking sites through keyword search tools like SpyFu and SEMrush. Also, check out the comment sections on these websites to see if and how the audience engages with content and product recommendations. Take The Points Guy, which has grown to be a top affiliate publisher in the travel industry. The website includes a disclaimer. The credit card offers that appear on the website are from credit card companies from which thepointsguy.com receives compensation. So products like this one in their article, "The Best Travel Credit Cards of 2020, may be sponsored by affiliate marketers. 5. Choose the right affiliate network. The right affiliate network can make or break your affiliate marketing operation. You'll need to partner with a high-ticket platform that connects you with premium, brand-safe publishers. Get our free book of 99 Marketing Secrets. Go to www.99marketingsecrets.com. Again, that's www.99marketingsecrets.com.